Why certain artists will not hear in a part of them? There's a disconnect between what people listen to them
phone
versus what play on the streets.
It's simple. The artists them isolate themselves.
A few moments later.
If you got to talk about fan base, a 3 fan base stand up in a dancehall right now. Genocide, Vendetta, Gaza.
May I represent for one Media Fox? Media Fox, how are the latest news them lock?
Yo, people are going to don't know Media Fox, you know. Some say Jeffrey and that DJ, I think him named Fire Bigs or something like so. They might talk about a thing, you know, they might talk about fan base and, you know, a bag of thing I go on that video. But some interesting thing when I where I for the shame my dog. Cause yo, may I tell the people the reality, you know, like I don't really know what I go on. You see me, but we have to make you hear what I go on.
It's my issue. I feel like the selector them are move too fast. Let me explain. Wait, can I answer this? Is whites a must play a song in our party right now?
80%.
Alright, cool. And that to me is a problem. Not just whites, but overall.
What is a big problem because you have so much hits, bro. Alright. At them thing there, so I got the party them, at them thing there, me, because when I got the events, you know, I'm going to learn and do my homework, you know. So I see the man them play one set of song. Alright, you know, we replace enough of the hit dancehall song, them brother, if a man going to dance them now, them play gospel. Them play
souls,
them play.
But
the man them erased the whole of 2014.
Yo, what they say, yo, if a man play, if you not say 6, no, that can take a party same way, the proper each other.
Bro, you have the exclusive, I say big money popping anywhere you go.
That's it.
Want the champion boy, want the hardball, want to the cartel, I say, you not give me nothing for put on, me not owe you. Want to the whole of them rhythm there. The only thing in like 2016 I play like After All and them there. A long time you hear certain song, bro, like.
Bro, more while, you see, sometimes them think they're kind of politics, you know, you see me, and you see me certain DJ, if the artist not link with them not go play a certain song, you see me, and remember, so the DJ, them I work with things we happen now, you know, bro, them not really play the hit song, them, you understand, them I work with we hot now, money pull up, you know, certain artists who have out in the game are in promotional team, I'm gonna pay our money, and you see me, like, DJs, them stuck in our box, so the whole 3 DJ or 5 DJ play one place, them a play the same set of song them. Which the hotness is not about hits when it comes to the DJ some of the time. It's about what hot at the moment. You see me? So I just like have some song where after playing a dancehall, you see me? Yeah. Like them thing there. Yeah, I'm just a champion boy already with Alkaline. You see me? Yeah, me hear them song they play. Some of the time, you know the thing, bro, enough hit song out there when I play in the dance, see me. You see me? And you don't know the politics with Alkaline thing already. Certain DJ not go really way. You see? But the artists them have a lot of hit songs. You see me? And you just work with a hot thing at the moment. And I just that are the problem. You see me? Or who on a friend or who not get the strength from our I just so things that
even overdo it. I mean hear overdo it.
Yeah, overdo it a big song.
World Cup. I hear overdo it.
I tell you, the man them erased the whole of 2017. Well, that's why they bring back like dancing segment fully in our dance right now.
Even think them segment done.
Yeah, cause you can't play. Last year, like Creech and them songs.
Yeah, Creech, I was about to say.
Magic Bunks and them that breadfruit or fling. I start bring back them then I'm juggle up.
Yo, man, I like them song that. Yo, the vibe usually night, people usually dance and them thing. But right now, brother, I don't know, I just a regular dancing people. I'm always I go to dancing thing, them and I do them regular thing, you see it. So, but right now, I don't know, I just a blank and like a hot song. Them nobody not really dance like how it usually because. We in a social media area, everybody stand up in a party, just a post and a snap and all of them little things. They're just the regular dancer, them would have got the weekly event to do them things same way. And, you know, them a do them thing. But right now, the game, the thing kind of changed, brother. You see me? It kind of changed right now. And who a link, who a this and all of them little things there. So you think set right now.
You know why certain artists will not hear in a party them? You see me, Arman is another artist who will not hear as much, and clearly he have a fan base. Who's another artist who not? Enough artists who just not hear.
Enough artists. So not hearing them,
why,
not play again like
why? No, but never talk about that. I talk about at right now.
Oh, that, oh, yeah.
Can you even what here? Skippa, if you look on the chart.
Skip that up there right now.
Skip it. What may I say?
And him always have the biggest underground fan base. You know?
So that's what I'm saying. Like, so why is it that we're having a disconnect between what people listen to them versus what we are?
It's simple. The artists them isolate themselves. Because look on it, as the moment you go to woman do an interview with Skippa and then him start connecting with them and Matt them start, because Matt them was the first selector play Skippa song them a long time, you know. But Matt them did not draw attention to it. Because enough of the selector, especially the Daddy Bad Miss again, that they play a Spanish town and in the party them hard. But like the mainstream play them, when Skippa, right now, the amount of selector Skippa up, Skippa start.
People hear them talk, bro. I'm telling you some friend thing this in a brother. The reason why I not talk about Skippa, bro, is because Skippa to me right now, him in the street, the man there every party, all of them look a thing there, bro. Anybody can call him and get a dub, him would do it. Bro, Skippa is easy to get to, bro. You see me? Jeffrey can call Skippa and say, yo, interview. DJ Mac, same thing. See, first of all, a Skippa got there Jeffrey show. You see what I try to say? Hear him say, yo, mount a DJ have Skippa dub. Bro, that's how the DJ them work. Whoever artist them can easily get something from, bro. Them might just work with the artist, they play them song, all of them thing. They saw it go, brother. The artists, them wanna maybe in the dance like that or so, I give them kind of strength, the way Skippa give them, yeah, bro. But the thing is that isolating self, brother, is a lot of artists in the people, the amount of artists in the dancehall scene, based on go to party them, they run the DJ them. Bro, them not really I get the play like that. Them not in the talk, bro. Artists they are road every day, kill out themselves, I try to do this and I try to do that. You see me? And at the end of the day, bro, sometimes man feel big all the DJ them and them look a thing there. Yeah, bro, brother, when I find understand, say, brother, where do you skip a bus in, bro? The man not even gonna hear yet, brother. Him not gonna hear yet. Una use some hot thing right now, bro. Some hot song now. Because the only song when me know Skipper like when me can say, alright. Him a go on with that thing, based off of the song when me is the same and the DJ Mac rhythm, bro. You understand? Skipper have more work for put in. But me understand so now run with the hype and it may be easily to get access to. Yeah, maybe we not go use that, you see me?
Do some dub and start give the selector them and them thing that is a big part. You have to connect with the street. Sometimes you have to just pop up on one event.
Yeah.
You get to me and say sometimes you have to, I mean I say you have to regulate yourself.
No, 100%.
Sometimes you just pop up on one event. You never say Malidan in the street like that. And I just that all them have to do now, I just listen to where people are say and just.
Bro, you have to understand, yeah. You have to understand, say, bro, Jamaica, brother. And when you talk about hit song not only just T in a Jamaica, brother. It hit out there in the diaspora and we're going a certain part. You understand? You have to remember, say, fans alone for the artist them is not in Jamaica, bro. Some of them live outside of Jamaica and it's not like them in a these party weekly, bro. You understand? The social media world come and change the game. People listen to songs, see what trend, whatsoever run with it, play it, all of them look at it. And everybody go party at Jamaica. We know the DJ them stay at Jamaica, the system. Them play the same 5 DJ play one party. And them a play back over the same set of song them. Why? It's because of the hype, bro. The hype with the song them, the hot song them at the moment. You see what I try to say? The same juggling, bro. We know that set and then somebody might walk over, yo, money pull up. You see me? Next DJ, same speed. You see me?
Connect in the street, like
Who's have a road?
yeah, that is all them need. Them not connect with the street.
Somebody will say, why
them say people them? I don't understand this. Like connect with the streets. I feel like we don't want DJ for us, brother. Music, you know, bro. Once the music go on with that thing, we not gonna play it, brother. You see me? I don't know what you mean by amount of artists not connect up and all of them look a thing. They wanna still play them song, brother. So, I don't understand with that. Yeah, I understand if the young artists them, but the artists them will stamp them name and call them in the thing, bro. It's gonna be a different thing. You see me?
artists have to, quote unquote, friend on up, forget them song play. I'm not gonna say, my song, artists are supposed to play my song. I don't even know, I don't even saying a dub, you're supposed to play my song.
No, alright, alright, we have to understand, you know, Jay. Sometimes the song them hot on the media, but sometimes the song them lukewarm to, you know, it really need the
It's not that tempo in the dance.
Because when Malidan find a song like VCs, you never have a connect in nobody. Selector them go download it and play it. So when you find a certified hit song, you don't need to put in the work.
But you know, that's the problem, brother. And that's the problem. You see, at the end of the day, once the song find the DJ, I go play it, bro. You see me? But yeah, say yo, the artists them now connect up. You see me? Which the music there. And every artist are going on the street like some, bro. You understand? The artists them do what them for do. The artists them about 10 years ago, them do what them for do in the streets already, brother. You understand? Set them column, them have them catalog and everything. Yeah, the young artists them boss, them can do that. You see me? And every artist I go play all the while. Some of the artists them like the veteran, the legend them. Some of them just a drop a 1 and 2 song and you understand? Just the young artists them will drop consistently. You see me?
Find like a lukewarm song and you want it to become a hit song, you have to go put in the work.
Yo, you see Donia?
Girl, them love how, you know.
When I do them flowers, I'm not giving them flowers. I do them everything. Anyways, but they are best weekend. I mean, I tell you, amount of Diddy. Other than Cartel, I think Donia play the second most. Because Donia have some songs where half a play and a straight girl song. Now the badness segment, you know, you see the girl song like Fiddle Jackie, all of them songs that half the 100 stab.
I treat.
Yeah, man, for real, man, for real. I don't have some song. I have some girl song, yeah. Some dash out song, you see me? I have some dash out song for real.
Jamaican artist to the baddest girl song in a modern time, you know.
Yeah.
And one of them maybe disagree, but if you know when we talk, brother, you see between RDX, modern days we are talking about in RDX, down here, potential kid. Tough. But if you listen back to some of the kids song, no man, you see the one that say Alkaline, babe, them song the bad, brother, if you live potential kid like that, but 3.
Bro, what the DJ talk about? You man say modern time. I don't understand one of the 3, but wait the people, because I don't know what that brother is. I really want to know what going.
A 3 Jamaican artists to the baddest girl song in a modern time, you know. Yeah. And one of them maybe disagree, but if you know when we talk, brother, you see between RDX, modern days we are talking about in RDX, down here, potential kid. Tough. So if you listen back to some of the kids song,
the man say modern time. I don't understand that. Are the potential kid, brother? What you talk? You talk a one song or what, bro? I don't know. People, wanna tell me now coming, cause I don't know where much I say. Yeah, I don't have some song. But when him say modern, I don't know. You see me? Them song yeah, but then some of the song them. You see it? Yeah, RDX go on with that thing same way. But potential kid, I just one song, yes or no, I just that me know, so me don't really know. Like RDX have a good amount of song where girl dash out and I don't have that. But me don't know the potential kid thing. Me not think on a modern thing, bro. Yeah, like back then. You see me?
No man, you see the one that say Alkaline, babe, them song the bad, brother, if you live potential kid like that, about 3, 4.
Potential kid them time, man. Come on, man.
Yeah, but the song them bad. The song them bad.
Quick run it to 50 meter.
Yeah, but the song them bad. Them still play up to now. And that's what I tell you something outside of the box. You understand me?
Nah, if you come potential killer on party still.
Brother, I think you need to think inside that box some of the time, because I don't know that. People wanna tell me.
Yeah, man.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, but you're so nice. So we are talking about.
So question, who are in a dancehall right now? Who are the man right now in a dancehall?
People, I want to listen, you know. I want to listen. You see, when it comes to this, what the man, it's all about, like, them don't want backlash reach them as a DJ in the street, but them have to make it seems like it's something, and then them put a slash beside it and say something else. But you gotta understand.
What man?
What man right now in a dancehall?
Dancehall, I mean, not the dancehall. No. One done right now. And if you're gonna be honest,
people, remember, you know, him just said dancehall now, no one artist will run the place, right? Remember, you know. But him a go think twice again. You see me? I think twice again. But look here now. I tell you, say enough of them more people say certain things for just get a free way. For just get is an easy answer. But listen.
Yeah, we did the interview, the thing where you had the panel. But really and truly, I can't tell a man for dancehall still. But
you see what I try to tell you? Him just say a while ago, no one man, nothing now go on like no one man, right? Them ask him who run dancehall, him say nothing. Then him say, you know what? Cartel. See? Then him say, but year after. You see me? Why for that? But you see me? There is something more. See? Because if you say a man run a place, him just run the place. There's no other excuse. See?
Only artists out there where if you got to talk about fan base, a 3 fan base stand up in a dancehall right now. Genocide, Vendetta, Gaza. Them that the biggest fan base them. Now when I talk,
bro, wanna get this? Yo, people, I don't understand this, bro. So you're telling so the man them get rid of popcorn? So with the unruly them, I don't understand this. When since we start talk about 3 biggest fan base in a dancehall. I only 2 me know. And the Gaza and the Gully. The Gaza and the Vendetta. I only 2 me know, bro. So when since the Crooks or whatever, when since that droppy, I don't understand that. I thought the Crooks was aligned with the Gaza thing. When since we have so-called 3 fan base, I don't understand this. When Masicka was a part of the Gaza, I don't understand that, bro. Because if you go single out Crooks thing, brother, bro, unruly have a thing too. Unruly have a fan base. So if you go that way there, the Crooks can't be bigger than the unruly thing, bro. To me. You see me? I don't know if the Crooks thing, yes, you have fans, but it's not a fans where if you say yo about 3 fan base, bro, because at the end of the day, Masicka did align with the Gaza thing. You see me? Now say Masicka not no fans, but when you go say 3 fan base, no, bro. None of that. The Gaza thing was with Masicka. You see me? That is a different thing, fam. You see, me know through the bag of hyping up and the bag of call, but you have to recheck again, brother. You have to recheck again. A lot of things in the media where kind of a misinform on, bro. You see it? Me never hear people wanna tell me, cause me never hear about. I don't go 2 fan base. Me never hear about the vendetta and the Gaza thing. Me don't know when since 3 fan base thing come about. You understand? Because like few years ago, we know about the Gaza and the vendetta thing. Me don't know when since what 2 one little thing going with the Masicka for them say it turned in a 3 now. Me don't understand that, dog. People wanna tell me what going.
Oh man, where around the ground still have you have Dunks, man, you have Masicka, you have Skippa. Night time, you know. At night time, right now, you know. Right now, you know, brother. Yo, you say them, yo, you say Skippa, brother. Right now, I can tell you the Skippa fan base I could grow. It a grow rapidly right now. The youth them are listen. Yo, you see like the high schoolers them and them thing there. A Kaka and Skippa them listen, you know. People, the business are sleep on Kaka, you know. The youth them are listen to Kaka, you know. I don't know if you see it or me, I see it.
No, you know.
Listen to Kaka. And different from Kaka, the youth them are Skippa. Night time. Right now. You understand? And Skippa, because what you say, just to what is song? What you
feel like?
What you feel like? You say yo, just to you know at the end of the year, sorry, but a Skippa the artist right now.
Oh, we can't go around that.
But man, and him just say Skippa the artist, but before him a say who are the cartel. Me not understand that, brother. Go not try say, brother. If a cartel around the dancehall thing or skip, me not understand, bro. You see me? Cause we are talking about music, so me don't know. You know? Me don't really know what go on. Cause sometimes when I just say something that for just not getting a backlash, I understand, but me don't know. Him just say something a while ago about cartel. Now he must say a Skipper right now. Me don't understand that.
A Skipper hotter than Masicka right now, so you have at least some big you know. So obviously Masicka is a big Masicka column, but the artist right now is Skipper. The artist song right now what you feel like, and then follow be and that.
So well, that the man them must say me did think so the SY the cartel song was the artist. That me did think the way them attack, but I guess them say a Skipper. You see me, this is a man way in the street, you know. So me them hear him say.
Yeah. And the candy a group and everything. Enhance a group, you know, yeah man, enhance, but the enhance and the candy, the syllabus are going to about yo, the enhance and the candy.
No, block lad Anthony B.
It a release?
What? Rasta powers? I name teaser 2.0.
Yo, you see what I'm tell you, people. Boy. Yo, dog, we tell you, a while ago, man say Anthony B and the man say, remember he's a DJ man in the street, you know. Man say, that release, So I guess him no know, although I'm in the street every day, you know, Jaja.
So
because the rhythm there is like a dancehall rhythm that you know, brother.
The rhythm they have legs, man.
Yeah, man, rhythm I go far, man.
They have legs.
big up Crash Dummy, big up DJ man. March 13th.
Well, people hear what them are saying, no, but some I think them I not really go with it, but them must say a thing. You see, but I understand how the DJ thing work in the dancehall space. You see, everybody pick them side, who them play. All of them look at thing that if the DJ not to link them, you know, yeah, them not go really right. But it's fine. Like I know Jamaica alone people listen music. You have the world out there. You see me? Yeah, and the artist might act right now, but at the end of the day, you know, is they might get that song where if you put them out there like that. I'm not sure about that, but I saw a thing everybody do music. You see me? But people, you know things that in one media facts in a year, man. That is it.